are in Dubai on the Dubai Airshow with our 32nd A220. This is our last edition, which we've taken delivery of this year.
We took it from Riga, Latvia, down to Dubai. We're here now showing it to thousands of interested people together with Airbus, our latest aircraft, and our team preparing the aircraft, as you can see here, for the air show.
We had a pretty good flight over here. The flight time was 5 hours and 50 minutes. And over these last 4 days, which we've presenting the aircraft, we had fantastic weather supporting us in this effort. Sunshine, around 30 degrees, and a lot of people coming in and being interested in our brand new A220.
Thank you, Dubai. See you soon.